Get 100% legal genuine copy of latest Windows 10 from Microsoft updated without any tool for free. The best place to get the latest version of Windows 10. This is the Microsoft website. So how to gain access to the direct download link from Microsoft server. Here we will use the Chrome browser to complete this tutorial. Now from Google search page write download Windows 10 ISO and go to the Microsoft page on top of the results page. You may use a direct URL link from the description below. This page gives us only to install Windows tool to download Windows with limited options and limited speed. Here how we will skip this limitation and gain access to direct link from browser without any tools or software. Here we now need to activate developer mode on browser. By following these steps, first the options menu in the screen corner. Go to more tools, and choose developer tools. Now in the opened window go to option menu of developer tools menu. From more tools, open network conditions. Scroll down to the user agent, enable it. This simply emulates your browser as running on one of the following devices here in the drop list. Now choose any one other than Windows systems. Server to download ISO copy directly without any need to download tools or software. Here Microsoft sends you to a fast delivery service. Once ISO downloaded, it is ready to burn or use directly from USB. Enjoy it. Do not forget to subscribe to keep you updated.